Hey, greetings, Dwayne, CFRN. Let's do it again. And while we're at it, we'll figure out how to spell Emini. What do you know about that? Okay, I made a video Sunday night about the Concierge Trade Alerts. And then Monday night, I thought, you know what? I'm going to make another one. Here it is Tuesday night, and I'm going to make another one. Am I trying to prove a point? Well, the point is, if you've traded for any length of time, nobody gets lucky 3 days in a row. All right? Can we all agree on that? Can I get an amen? You don't get lucky 3 days in a row. But you do need the market flowing. You need it moving. You need follow through. Yes, absolutely, positively. And I'm going to run through what happened today real quick, just in case you missed the radio show today. I want you to know that the email I sent you last night was loaded with really good stuff. I hope you put it to use. And for all of you that did put it to use, this bell's for you. I'm real proud of you. Okay? Now, this is what the emails look like. You should be familiar with them by now. Okay? Because I got a whole lot of you on the trial this week. Big spenders. Everybody spent $1. Okay. No, I'm teasing. There's a reason I charge $1. But I think this is the last time I'm going to charge $1. I think in the future I'm going to charge $5. I got to eat. All right, last night the email said on the S&P 500 E-mini. Now, these are last week's zones. This just shows you the power, the carryover power of the weekly trading zones. I know I showed you this already, but let me just show you again. Sunday night Globex open. Now remember, these are last week's zones, okay? So there's 8 points here from zone to zone. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 8, 48, and one didn't quite make it. That's 47. And then, voila, we drop to this zone, and that right there tells you when it happens inside of a zone, look for a rally. Okay, so last night the email said on the S&P 500 E-mini, consider selling 23.46. If you did, the market made 12 points available at $50 per point. That's $600 per contract. Now, I'll just say this once. We never get out at the exact swing high or the exact swing low. Why? Because we trail our stop. Why? Number one, to maximize any profit potential in the trade. And number two, because we believe in aggressive risk management. We also know that important prices in important areas are almost always tested. Okay, so what happened? Price gets back above the trigger, hands over another 3 points. Gets back above the trigger and hands over another 3.75. What a great day for the S&P. How about the Dow? Last night in the email, we said consider selling 25.75. Down she goes, 127 points. Nice. Soybeans, there was an ag report out today, and it happened right at the time we were getting triggered, so we're not even gonna mess with that. Gonna let it go. Bonds. We said to consider buying 152.10. Well, the first time you bought 152.10, you got stopped out. But wait, there's more. Important prices, important areas, almost always tested. This move put us 6 ticks shy of $1,000 per contract. $812.50 per contract available. There's 32 ticks to a point. Each tick pays $31.25. But we're not done yet, because price gets back below the trigger and this time delivers 23 ticks times $31.25 per tick. Pretty sweet, yes? Wait till you see this. Man. Gold. Last night we said buy 12.59. We said it at 8:30. Okay? That's what this horizontal line's all about. That's when the alerts came out. By 12.59, and look where this thing ran. $1,600 per contract available. That email was sleeping in your inbox last night. Hopefully it wasn't sleeping. Hopefully you broke it out and put it to good use. I mean, after all, you paid $1 for it. And then we've been kind of, sideways. Since the peak of the rally about 10:30 this morning, we did pull back and go higher, but it's on this kind of pullback right here where you get stopped out with profit. Okay? On the NQ today, we were looking to, I thought I would have had this marked up. Apparently not. We were looking to sell 54 NQ, sell 54. Here, let me show you. NQ, sell 54.16. For 16. Now, the alerts went out at 20:30. So that's going to be about right there. Now we're going to need to drag this thing way over here. Okay? So you get triggered, but you don't get stopped out, and along comes payday. Okay, so from 54.16, guess I didn't get that quite straight. Oh. 54.16. Swing low. What do you got? 53. 53.58. Okay. Let's do this mathematically. 54.16. 54.16 minus 53.58. Yeah. 54.16 minus 54.16 minus 53.58. That's 58 points times $20 per point, and that's $1,160 per contract, $1,160 per contract available. But you can't have it all. You gotta leave a little something on the table for the next guy. Good karma, right? As it starts to pull back, take your profits and get on down the road. The last one I'll show you, I think here, the only one we got left is the Russell, which was kind of a non-performer. I mean, I shouldn't say that. There was like $100 and change on the short side a couple times. But on the long side, it was 300 when I measured it earlier, but it kept creeping higher. We said to buy 1367 on the Russell. Is that right? No. Buy 1368. $13.68. And what do we make what do we get up to? From 68 to 79, that would be 11. Points at $50 per point. Remember the good old days when they paid $100 a point on the Russell? That would have been an $1,100 trade. Instead, it's $550 at 4 o'clock. $550 per contract available. Oh, did I show you gold? I'm just kidding. I know I did. But look at that. Is that not just gorgeous? Truly it is. And if you're the kind of guy that says, well, I don't like to trade nothing but the S&P. Bang. Okay, I'm not going to wax eloquent. I'm going to get the heck out of here. We're 12 minutes and 49 seconds. You know you can call us at 949-42 EMINI. We're the only people in the Emini business who actually have Emini as our phone number. That's a true story. Look it up on the internet. You can email us, support@cfrn.net. We'd love to chat with you, commune with you, hang out with you, sit in the hot tub, you know, have an iced tea, whatever you want to do. Now, you're 2 days into your trial. Yeah, because you're actually getting 6 days because I give you Sunday night. So all I can say is start taking a close look at this because, well, what's that saying? Make hay when the sun shines. And the sun is shining very brightly on you right here, right now. Oh, no, we're not. You're only going to get 5 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because the markets will open Thursday night for Globex, but Friday, Good Friday, Sunday's Easter. Are we doing an Easter special for the Concierge Trade Alerts? We are. Now, you already know that if you take the annual subscription, you save a whale of money. But because of it's Easter, and because we don't believe in bunnies and baskets, but we want to do something really special on the annual subscriptions, we're going to do something we've never done before. And I'm going to end this video in exactly 15 minutes. Now, I've sent you the link to the live training room. I've sent you the password. I've sent you the weekly trading zones. I've delivered some pretty good trades, and I want to hear from you. So call me, email me, smoke signal, tom, I don't care. Let's talk. I'll see you in the room tomorrow morning. God bless. Take care. And sleep good.